Have a nice day, everyone. I will continue this series, how to reduce downtime and effort in aircraft checks. This is part 3. Reduce downtime means save for money. I want to save money, economic. This time I speak about to well prepare, good preparation of the maintenance task card. This is my channel, this is my photo, and this is the 3 items I hope to carry out this. Like and LinkedIn and the YouTube. Subscribe and YouTube, and also click the bell ring. Okay? This is sample of the maintenance task card. If you prepare this task in good condition or good details, it reduces the man-hour, reduce effort for the checks. Here, the maintenance task card, some parts here, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. I will take one. This is the first part, the airline or MRO, and this is the type of aircraft, A320-200. The type of the card here, maintenance task card. This is the card number and sequence. The issue number here, if more than issue. Here, interval 1C or 1A or 2C, according to the interval here, the check type here. The trade or skill, airframe, okay, maybe other electric, other the avionics, engines, so and so. This is the date of the check. Here, the manpower, how many men? How many men here? 1. The area and the airframe, air conditioning. Here, the man-hour. The man-hour 4. Here, the man-hour 4 and the manpower 1. So the elapsed time here, if you divide this over this, you will take the elapsed time 4 hours. This is the code of the task. Here, the references. This is the MPD or maintenance program. Here, the maintenance manual reference here. 6 means the page 600. Okay. Here also service bulletin. ISB, inspection service bulletin here. Here is the activity pre this mode or pre this service bulletin. So this is the part 1. Let us go to the part 2. Here, special tools and equipment. If this task needs special tools and you don't put it here or equipment, so when you comply this task, you will be delayed here because the maintenance engineer didn't find the required tools or equipment. So this is important, okay? Here, consumable parts or materials. Also, if the store didn't prepare these items here, may be delayed for aircraft. So we lost time, lost money, the consumable parts and materials. Here, the task number from the maintenance program, the zone and area. Here, the description of the task, back ram air outlet, detailed visual inspection of ram air outlet, and check here, take care here, check for backlash of the outlet flap. So I put here record dimension A and record dimension B here, the units millimeter, subtract to give the backlash here. These details must be in the other task, which called it maintenance job instruction card. This is as details, okay? Here, yes or no, okay? This is the applicability, take care for this aircraft on the fleet. This is the last part of the task card. This is hereby, according to the last revision and last approval. Here, the location of the check station may be out of base, may be Sabina, may be Egypt Air, may be Joramco, so and so, according to the station of this check, the date of the check or the complied. Here, is there a finding detect to be reported? Here, defect reported. Is there finding or no? If yes, put the report number to be open item to check it. Here, who is prepared this task? The Lotus Air Engineering. Okay, this is the most suggestion part for the task card. So take care to prepare very well and careful for the data on these tasks. I am waiting your comments and your suggestions. Thank you very much and goodbye.